Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we have a very special 1999 Swatch watch for you, which is called Monte Da Lua, as you can see right here. And also we have the reference number SKK113. As you can see, it was purchased in Germany for 90 Deutsche Marks, so German marks. And as you can see, it has the original box and papers with the original external packaging, so something really cool. I'm going to pull it out. As you can see, it is in immaculate condition, so almost mint. And if we open it up, you can see that it has the original box and papers, so something really cool. And also the watch is ticking, it keeps perfect accurate time. As you can see, it also has the original strap, a very nice case, almost no decoloration to the watch case. As you can see, a transparent, so a see-through case. And also we have this blue accents on the watch dial and on the watch strap. The watch is skeletonized, meaning we can see the movement both from the watch front and the watch backs. Here we also have the papers of the watch. You have this small window where you can actually see the face of the watch, so something really cool. As you can see, this is a City Pass Swatch Access watch and a collectible piece, especially with all the box and papers, the original ones that were purchased in Germany. So guys, if you want to check it out, I will leave a link in the description below to our vintage Swatch watch collection. We have over 1000 vintage Swatch watches for sale, so make sure to check them out on vintageradar.com, link in the description below guys. And if you enjoy this type of videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let me know in the comment section below if you like this particular model, whether you own a different Swatch watch. Like the video, and I'm going to see you guys on the next one.